Welcome. The student in science class. Class 10. Lesson 1. Force. Objectives. To know about gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, and universal law of gravitation. To know about mass, weight, free fall, and weightlessness. To compare the gravitational force. To solve the numerical problems of gravitation. Gravitation. Everybody in the universe attracts each other with the force is called gravitational force. Gravitational force is denoted by capital F. Its unit is Newton, capital N. Effects of gravitational force. A. The body falls towards Earth. B. Tides arise on sea. Acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration produced on the freely falling body due to gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by small g. Its unit is meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity on equator of Earth is 9.78 meter per second square, and on the poles of Earth is 9.83 meter per second square. Values of acceleration due to gravity. Values of g on Earth equals to 9.81 meter per second square. Value of g on Moon equals to 1.67 meter per second square. Value of g on Jupiter equals to 25 meter per second square. Mathematical formula for acceleration due to gravity. Small g equals to capital G into capital M upon R square. Universal law of gravitation. Everybody in the universe attracts each other with the force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between their centers. Mathematically, F is directly proportional to the product of M1 and M2. F is inversely proportional to the square of distance. Proof of F equals to capital G into M1 into M2 upon D square. Consider the masses of two bodies be M1 and M2 respectively and kept at D distance. According to universal law of gravitation, F is directly proportional to the product of M1 and M2. Equation number 1. F is inversely proportional to the square of distance. Equation number 2. Combining equation 1 and equation 2, F is proportional to M1 into M2 upon D square. Therefore, F equals to capital G into M1 into M2 upon D square. Where capital G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, which is universal gravitational constant. Force of gravity. The force by which the planet or Earth attracts all the bodies towards its center is called force of gravity. It is also called weight of body and varies from place to place. Universal gravitational constant. The force of gravitation between any two bodies of unit kg masses kept at unit meter distance is called universal gravitational constant. It is denoted by capital G. Its unit is Newton meter square per kg square. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. It is constant all over the world. Proof of G is inversely proportional to the square of radius. Proof. Consider the mass of the planet be capital M, mass of an object on planet B small m, and radius of planet B capital R. According to the universal law of gravitation, F equals to capital G into capital M into small m upon R square. Equation number 1. According to the second law of motion, F equals to small m into small g, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, small m into small g equals to capital G into capital M into small m upon r square, or small g equals to capital G into capital M upon r square. Therefore, small g is inversely proportional to the square of radius. Since the value of capital G and capital M are constant, the acceleration due to gravity is only dependent with the value of radius and independent to the mass of the falling body. Value of G is inversely proportional to the square of radius of planet. Coin feather experiment. Coin is falling faster in the presence of air resistance. Coin and feather are falling simultaneously at vacuum. Conclusions of coin feather experiment. When coin and feather are allowed to fall simultaneously on the surface of Earth, coin falls faster than the feather due to effect of air resistance. When coin and feather are allowed to fall simultaneously in space or vacuum, both coin and feather falls simultaneously. Due to absence of air resistance. Mass. The total amount of substance contained in a body is called mass. It is measured by physical balance. It is constant. It is denoted by small m. Its unit is kilogram, kg. Weight. The force of gravity on a body is called weight. It is measured by spring balance. It is variable. It is denoted by capital W or capital F. Its unit is Newton, capital N. Free fall. The falling of body without air resistance is called free fall. During free fall, the body falls with the acceleration equal to the value of small g. Weightlessness. The condition of body in which weight of body becomes zero is called weightlessness. Condition of weightlessness: A. Free fall. B. Environment of space.